Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox error 529. We are experienced technical difficulties. Please try again later, and the error code you get on the screen is 529. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting 529 error in your Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, guys, this problem mostly occurs because of the Roblox server error, or the Roblox server may be down. So you need to try after some time. If the server is okay, you have to make sure that your internet connection is properly working or not. If you are using your Wi-Fi or mobile data, check whether it is properly working or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to clear your Roblox app data. For that, you need to tap on the settings. After opening the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on the see all apps, then find here Roblox. You can see here Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox. Once tap on the force stop, tap on the storage and cache. Once you need to tap on the clear cache. After that, tap on the clear storage. You have to make sure before tapping the clear storage, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Roblox user ID and password. After remember your Roblox user ID and password, just tap on the clear storage, then go back. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox error code 529. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.